Well, good health, good time. I hope you are well. I just went to a live on YouTube. Ethereum passed 3,500, and happily, we have this trade open. We are close to 15 to 16,000 in profit. And this was the trade that I announced on Instagram. We went live a couple of times and Bitcoin has reached its target in this range. But what is the topic of this video? What is the topic of this video? About trading training. Proof that you are simply a coin. I made a deposit and recorded this, and now we're going to see the proof of trade. It's very simple. It's very simple. Let's go to the account where we put the test money. For this tutorial, you saw the tutorial on deposits and withdrawals. We deposited $100. All tutorial videos are on this page in the CoinCatch Education section. Now, we want to do spot trading. CoinCatch Exchange lets you trade in the spot market. You can set take profit and stop loss limits. In the spot market, you can buy and sell, set your limit orders, take profit, and stop loss here. When you enter the exchange, you'll see it in the menu. You can also add a traffic link. Cut that one. The last one, I'll tell you in the tutorial. It won't be useful to you tomorrow, but it gives you a lot of good features because it's a transaction. For example, it's like this. In the proof, you can buy and sell it. Well, for example, it says, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. You have to set the profit and loss limits yourself with a limit order. Here, no. It's beautiful. The right tool is in our case. We'll enter the transaction, which is written in this menu above. Let me make my image really small so you can see everything. Okay, over here next to the order book, in front of your chart, you already know these things. From here, you can choose your coin. We can go to Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can even search for the name of the coin you want right here. Now, let's check out my Ethereum chart and see how much I have. I barely have any Ethereum left. Just a little bit. I don't know where it went, but I have about $93 in USDT. So what do we want to do? We want to buy Ethereum. There are a few ways to buy it. Limit order, market order, and we won't deal with OCO for now. But I'll explain what trigger order is and how it works. Limit order, which means you set a price. You choose the price from this order book or you set it yourself. For example, you have an analysis. Now, either you have a robot or you want to analyze it. You said, excuse me, your Ethereum is at 3,500. For example, you set it to 3,500. You also change your keyboard to English. You say, 3,500. I want to buy Ethereum. It asks how much Ethereum you want to buy. I say I want to use my entire balance, which is $93. Or I can come here and say I want to buy the equivalent of $20 worth of Ethereum. That's how you set a limit order. Here, there's TPSL option. You check that box, and here, you set your take profit and stop loss. It's simple. Say I've analyzed the market, watching it, or a bot does it. I expect it to rise to 3,589, setting stop loss at 3,495. You can write percentage for profit/loss or enter numbers. To keep it straightforward, let's set this up. If we have Ethereum, instead of programs saying by ETH, enter price and quantity. Then, it writes time and force, GTC. GTC means good till cancelled. P495 years. Now you can write the percentage here. Write the percentage of profit here. Write the percentage of loss. You can also write the number. Now, so that it doesn't get lost, but let's do this. Now, let's have Ethereum. Instead of the by ETH program, you write the price quantity of these. The next time I write it, I write the time in the force. What does GTC mean? It means good. Till cancel means go until it's cancelled. So it means stop playing. Always be on this GTC. Don't touch this. For the small number, if you know the big number. You have $2 million. You already know what the story is. If not, the movie is like this. Give it to us. Give us the order here. And when he hits, he puts his target. And stub here. And he's gone after my talisman. Wherever I put my X, something important happens there. Yeah, that's how Etrian said, "What did you do? You put it in, you put it in, you put it in, you put it in. I don't know what type it is." He puts all of this here. He puts the target and stub. You can edit it or cancel it. Now, I put this. What am I going to do? I'm going to check out a coin like Ripple. I want to buy Ripple at market price and set a stop loss. Market means there's no set price. It buys at the best price available at that moment. If you're dealing with a large amount, it's better to set a limit order to pay less in fees, but for smaller amounts, I even trade like this. I don't let you lose the entire trade because you don't reach that number at some point, meaning you lose 200% of the profit, except for the commission dollar you wanted to pay. So if you're trading with a small amount of money, it doesn't matter much to you. If your amount of money is large, whether you want to buy or hold, doesn't matter much to you. Don't buy now, for example. You have to buy for an hour, set a limit. But if you want to go to the market to buy from your tab market, click here. And here, there's no set price anymore. You just say how many dollars you want to spend. For example, if I want to buy $20 worth of Ripple, I set my TTSL. I'd say sell when it goes up 10% and also sell if it drops 10%. I've set my take profit and stop loss. Now, you can either set a specific dollar amount like with Ethereum, or you can set it as a percentage. This is a really cool feature that the exchange provides. Alright, buy Ripple. You see, this has gone up. The price has not gone down like Ethereum. Why? Because I hit the market, I pay a little more, but when I enter the market, the price is bought from the order book. This is called an order book, meaning that a group of people come and buy and sell from the ones on the page. What am I saying? This is from this banana. Well, excuse me, my phone rang. I had to go. There is one more part left. This is it. Look at this. This is the last one. You can win here. I told you about the limit market. It's the TPS top, which is here. I told you there's another number that's important. It has a trailing stop. It has a gap. But what's the point of having a TPSL? Let's say I'm on the BNB board right now. Let's say I want to buy a BNB right now. I'm going to the BNB market right now. I said to the market, come buy a BMW for $10, I'll buy it. Here too, he says, buy a BMW because the price has gone up so and so, and how much is a BMW? This is our grandson, 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 because of that. I bought BNB. Manually set a stop and limit order against the direction. When price hits 750, sell all my BNB. Simulated a stop target. Better, set TP at 750 in TP section. Set limit or market order. Market sells immediately. Limit order. When it hits 750, place order at another number. Sell right there, market sell. Let me see. It's like I came here like this. I simulated the stub target. And there's a better way. I canceled it. Can you come here in the TP target section? Come on, my dear. Come on, TP3. And cut it off. Tell me it's reached 705. Set a limit order to sell for me when it hits 750. Now, you can either set a limit or a market order. If you set a market order, it will sell right there at that price. If you set a limit order, you say, when it hits 750, place a limit order for me at another number. I want it to sell right there, market sell. All right, I hit sell BNB and confirm. Here it is. In the TP section, which means here it was not allowed for me. We hit this, so this salification is giving it away because the ease is also lacking. Let's promise this 100%. Do you want to leave it at 99 or make it dollar if you make the workman's last it won't hit until the end? Set it up and it appears. Here in the TPSL section, it places BNB. You can set the TPSL in two ways using this method, or a limit order. The best time to set the TPSL is when opening your trade. You can cancel or edit it later. Practice with a demo account first. The demo market is smoother. Futures yield higher profits but greater risks. Okay, but you can also come back later to cancel or edit it, and you can do that. Thanks for taking the time. It was really simple. Also, practice with a demo account before you jump into futures. The demo market is much smoother and easier. Futures can yield higher profits, but the risks are also greater. Just keep that in mind.